Well, hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Tim with Tim's Reviews, and we have been going over our camping, overlanding, dispersed camping setup. And so far, we've shown you the Joytutus awning, the Joytutus SUV awning tent, and the Joytutus shower tent that's on this side over here. And after we reviewed this, I stated that to be able to sleep in your vehicle, you needed a comfortable air mattress, and that Joytutus has that covered too. This also was a product given to us by Joytutus, and we've actually had this quite a while. We've used it. We know the ins and outs of it, and it works very well. So if you're looking for an SUV mattress, air mattress, this works very well. We're going to set it up, show you what it's all about. Of course, it comes in its own bag. Which has plenty of room to get it in and out. Comes with a patch in case you get a hole in it. You can repair it on site. And it also comes with the air pump, which I have in a case. So I had to get that out. It also comes with pillows, 2 of them, that you can air up and use as pillows. That's pretty cool. I guess I should get these out of the way. So for now, I'm gonna unroll it, figure out what's front, what's back. This is the actual front. The wider part goes up there, and the skinnier part will come back here. And of course, we will give you a closer view of this once I get everything set up. And pull it up here. My driver's seat is in the position that I normally have it in, as is the passenger. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug this big port, I think. And then we have this little port with a valve where air can't come back out of it. So now I just need to get the air pump. I guess I can move my machete out of the way. And we'll be right back with the air pump. Okay, I got our air pump out of the True Mungeta travel case that we had given to us. We'll be doing a review on it soon. Now, we can use power station, or we can use the plug that's in the back of the Jeep. Since all of y'all may not have a power station, which I highly recommend you get, we'll use the plug in the Jeep. I have to turn the accessories on to use that plug. So I've got the accessories on. We're going to find the fitting that we need to fit that. It'll be that one there. I believe this is the inflate. Luckily it's labeled. And then we'll stick this into this valve, just like so. All right, we've got it on accessory and we are running now. I didn't think about starting the timer because I'm not in any hurry when I get to camp most times anyway. Now this is a pretty thick mattress compared to some of the other ones that I have, but it's comfortable and it's got the soft material on top. And it's just a regular vinyl on the backside. Like I said, it does come with a couple of pillows that will air it up. We normally bring our own, but in a pinch, those work. Bring y'all in a little closer so you can get a better view of it. And I also have nets that go over my windows. So I can lower my windows so air can flow through here. And I have a sunroof and I also have a magnetic net that covers the sunroof. So I can completely open everything up there and have a nice breeze coming through here. We can shut the net on this end of the vehicle. And with the nets that's on everything else, we're pretty much bug free. Starting to get firm. Fits really nice in the Grand Cherokee, the Cherokee Trailhawk, and the Compass Trailhawk. You may have to adjust your front seat some. That feels pretty good to me. Just got to be sure to hold this plug there. That way no air can come out. And then we will plug this up and push it in so it's out of the way. Now, if I wanted to shut the gate, I would have to pull my seats, just lean them up a little bit and get another couple inches here so I'm not hitting that with the gate. But like I said, this comes with pillows. I had to swap out our end here. I can get it off. Okay. I believe that's going to be... I believe this one will do it. Same inflate. Just see what happens here. Now you just air up to however firm you want your pillow. I don't want it to feel like a rock. So we're going to stop right there. And you have a pillow. Swell air up this other one. I wonder if it wouldn't air up quicker with this other tip. It'll actually go off in there some, I think. Yeah. Didn't get that one as firm, but there's two pillows. Now we'll just put this back in the Trimgetta case. Well, pillow, pillow. Should have took my shoes off, but anyway, y'all, I can lay in here in comfort. And there's room for my wife climb in here beside me. And when we have our dog with us, he may have to sleep up in the passenger seat, but knowing Remington, he'll curl up on top of us. So you know how dogs are. But this is the Joy-Tudis SUV air mattress. This is a nice air mattress, y'all. So basically, from everything I've shown you so far, you can have pretty much a complete vehicle setup just using Joy-Tudis brand products. And their products are good products. They're going to hold up. If you have a truck, they have SUV truck tents. They have a actual tent that will hook up to this hatch on this vehicle that you can be hooked up, or you can detach, go somewhere and zip it up. So it's a kind of like a detachable hatch tent. That's a full tent. They have a screen room tent. Joy-Tudis just has a big line of product for this type of activity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel's been around for a while, but I've just now really started working on it. So let's help get it to grow so we can get it monetized. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.